Greetings, my name is François Lépine. I'm an environmentalist and project manager. I've gathered together a group of 15 specialists around Europe, North and South America to study the most efficient way to capture carbon by building a forest in the most efficient way aimed at carbon capture. It's not a secret. Botanists know the latest discoveries on how to efficiently rebuild a biome. Planting trees is not enough. Planting trees in a depleted soil, the trees grow too slow. We have to rebuild the environment, the ecosystem. Every carbon capture project costs too much money and does not make profit. And for that reason, few invest in it. But not doing anything costs so much more. We decided to make studies in various biomes around the world, currently in Canada and Denmark. And we will publish a book and a video collection to explain to the world how to build a superforest and what is the most efficient way to do a carbon capture project in that sense. Listen to what our Danish partners have to say.
Our studies show that by rebuilding the soil and augment natural superfood for trees, we can actually make the trees grow much faster.
And this is what we call a superforest. By doing it this way, we actually believe that the trees can absorb 6 times more carbon than is just planting trees.
Hi, I'm Ole Bremerdal, and I'm a forest and landscape engineer.
I'm Lotte Bremerdal, and I'm a human resource developer. And we are a Danish couple. And in all the years we spent together, we have really shared the curiosity about nature. We have a land here and we have a forest here, and we have spent so many years on learning about how to care about nature and how to care about a forest. To really do an impact on climate change by planting trees and capture as much carbon as possible, we need to rethink the traditional way of doing it.
Here at our place, we do experiments on what works and what doesn't work in rebuilding the soil and creating a better foundation for a sustainable ecosystem. So what we basically are looking at here is how can we create the biggest impact on climate change. We have so far invested quite a lot of money in creating this test area at our property here in Denmark. And as we can see, we now need around 20,000 euro to finish the project, to finish documenting, make follow-up during the whole process, because it will last for some years. We have to measure for quite a while, and we have to do a lot of testing.
We are writing a book with a writing partner. We want to explain all the data, all the methods, and all what we're finding out. We want the world to know how to do a superforest. Included in our budget, we want to have the book written and published and send it to our best contributors. Everyone will have a free PDF already at the end of this year. And every year where the forests grow, and we keep measuring to prove the benefit of our formula.
It's not just the botanical aspect we're looking at, we're also looking at the science behind it. We take soil measurements that involve external laboratories, special equipment there to do all our experiments.
Our partner in Canada created a super soil that make flowers grow through the snow that not normally would do that. It's this super soil we now are testing on forest trees. We now want to do it on actual trees and then measure the carbon capture. We want to prove what our experiment so far has shown.
We need to resolve the climate change now. A normal tree planting won't really start capturing carbon until it's approximately 15 to 20 years old. Our goal is to reach this level as soon as possible, hopefully within 4 to 6 years. We want to do this by giving the trees the best options, giving them the best start on their long life. We want to document everything we can at every level, so the world know how to do it. We will make a motion video to see how the trees are growing. We will do this with a time-lapse camera that take one photo each day, and then you can, by making it a movie, you can see the trees growing. We will do this for the entire experiment, all the years we're doing it, and then we will publish it every few months.
We will have an archive of photos and short videos on how to do it, and make educational videos on many different topics on how to grow a superforest.
If we by any chance surpass the 20,000 euro as we are hoping for, then we will do the same experiments in Colombia where we already have partners. If we start working in a different biome, with different soil and different flora, we have the opportunity to add very important data to our projects.
We want to help humanity help itself. Please support our studies and publications. Thank you.
Please support our studies and publications.
Thank you.